Hi, everyone. These are the VJ1627MH, VJ1628MH, and VJ628MP MUTOH MP Inkjet printers. We will be using these printers to create samples of folding carton package this time. When making samples, water-based printers and toner printers can't print directly on the paper, so we have to cut and paste them, which is very labor-intensive. UV printers can print directly on the media, but they can't preserve the texture. MP printers can solve these disadvantages. Let's start making a sample of drug package with MP printer. It's completed. As you can see, while retaining the metallic feel of the vapor-deposited paper, the coloring is good. Since ink cracking is unlikely to occur, we were able to make a sample with beautifully folded part. We also made a sample on milk carton paper. Even on the special water-resistant paper, we were able to print beautifully without repelling the ink. How was it? See you again in the next video.